You already know, boys, we're at the gas station again. Every time, bro, every time we're filming this video, we're filling up gas, man, but that's the price you pay. I'm cool with it, bro. I've been going freaking everywhere with this thing, so I don't freaking mind. I don't care. This goes crazy, though. What? Dude, why does this thing look so aggressive? Dude, I can't, dude, I don't even have the front lip or the side skirt, and it still looks so good. I need to get the front lip and side skirt ready, bro. And then once I tune it, this thing's complete, bro. Do a little cold start. Gotta put it in M in sport mode real quick. Good, put it. It's an M2 right now. Okay, boys, the car is finally warmed up. Shoot, man, this thing's stupid loud. I don't know about you guys, bro. Like, I obviously I overdo it, but something about the crackles, bro. I don't know, dude. What is it, boys? Like, what makes us so in love with cars? Like, think about this, guys. I've been uploading the same content because obviously it's fun to do. I enjoy doing it, so that's why I keep doing it. But guys, I'm literally just uploading POVs, and I average 3,000 to 5,000 views now on every single video. That's insane. Just to drive a car, bro. Like, it's so sick. Like, I don't know why are we so into cars, boys? Like, for real. Oh, I didn't pop the way I wanted it to. There we go. Two-wheel drive's way too sus, bro. I've tried it. I don't want to do that. So happy that there's nothing else bigger than this. Like, I don't know what I would do if I had an inline 6, bro. This is so sus supposed to score here. I don't want cops to come out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. I messed up the shift. I'm trying to make it pop a certain way. That's why I'm doing, like, shifting this way. Right now, I guess maybe the pipes are still chilling. Dude, the weather is perfect right now too. Right now, I'm gonna be having fun today. One of my favorite things about the M5, dude, is just like driving at higher RPMs. Like, just forget about all the pops. You can hear the turbos like crazy. I've never heard a car, honestly, bro, guys, I'm always going car meets, I'm always going everywhere. And I don't know anyone that has a car that sounds like this. I don't know any other car that sounds like this, bro. I'm gonna be real. Like, obviously the ones with single turbos and stuff like that, but that's not common. It's on popper now, dude. There we go. Dude, this tree is freaking beautiful. Oh my, dude. Something about that. See, I need to tune this thing, bro. I hate how it doesn't pop whenever I want it to. Dude, in two-wheel drive, this car sounds like a different beast because it's like, that's why I like the Hellcat, bros. Because when the tires are slipping, it's fun, more fun to drive, bro. I'm telling you, it's way more fun to drive. It's not always about being hella fast, bro. It's just like the feel and the way it sounds is so different, dude. I love it. Like it shifts differently. It just completely sounds completely different, bro. I love it. Like, come on, dude. When it's redlining like that, when it's freaking spinning, the tires are spinning like that, it sounds so crazy. It sounds sick. I freaking love it. All right, let's go through this little neighborhood so I can really emphasize the turbo, because that's, honestly guys, that's actually why I mainly went for the M5. Oh shoot, this is gated. Oh dude. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go to the other side. This is the brokey section, I guess. It's like, this is the brokey section, I guess, dude. I like staying in second gear because it kind of spools a little more, it seems like. It's not like not catch as much speed either. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, I know. It's too loud, I know. Oh, dude. Oh, what is this street? This is perfect. No houses over here, so I'm not as worried. Oh, dead end. Dude, when you guys see this car from the outside, it's a different beast. Like, I'm gonna get a gap cam, but I'm gonna be honest with you, that thing's not gonna do justice, man. I need like, I don't know. I just need to start doing like, I need to start hiring when the time comes and I can make more money, I'm definitely gonna hire a dude like on the weekends. So if any of you guys are willing, bro, if any of you guys like live in LA and want to get paid, I'm probably gonna do it hourly. I'm trying to figure out the rate still, but I'm definitely gonna try to do hourly pay. And I just need help filming YouTube videos, filming little clips. Posting on Instagram and YouTube, or Instagram and TikTok. And I'm willing to pay like, you know, a good wage where you're gonna want to be hanging out with me and you're gonna be able to drive one of my cars, because we're gonna be taking 2 different cars, you know. So it's gonna be sick. So that's gonna be when the time comes, and I'm gonna tell you right now, boys, that time will come. I've been planning for that, dude. I've been planning for it. I don't know about you guys, but driving through the neighborhoods is like everything to me. I'm gonna do it again. Dude, this neighborhood's bougie, bro. They have like their own little lake. Man-made lake, dude. They're vibing over here. Oh, it's a little photo shoot. Indian photo shoot. Cool. Oh, this street's freaking beautiful. Oh. These guys don't even care what's going on. Dude, that turbo noise is everything. Like I want to get an SVJ one day if the time ever comes. But I feel like my dream setup is like right now is like a Lambo that's twin turboed. Something about those, or like a Lambo. Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't really want any other car twin turboed. Like I feel like the Huracan just being a V10 and having twin turbos is just so crazy to me and so sick. That's like, I don't know, something about the V10, bro. Like I can't go below 8. There's a reason why I got 8 cylinders in both of my cars, bro. I can't go below that, so might as well go up. You know, after V10, bro, then of course SUJ will come, you know. No, stop popping right at the right time. I'm gonna go through another neighborhood right in front of me, dude. This weather is like this. This is golden hour right now, boys, in LA. This is like perfect time to be filming, doing whatever. But I appreciate all the support, man. I appreciate all you guys staying through. I can't believe we're still uploading videos, and everything I've been saying for the past 2 years, man, has been preparation for something that's already it's in the works already, man. I don't even want to talk about it until I fall completely through with it, and then that's like an undercover cop right there. Yeah, dude, that dude's got lights and everything. Bulletproof wheels, bulletproof tires. You can definitely tell. Cop tires, antenna, bro. What is this guy doing over here, man? Yeah, but the good thing about those guys, that I've never seen them stop anyone. Like, they're really doing their own thing over here. Dude, I love these kind of streets, bro. They're straight mountains, bro. Like, I don't know, dude. This can't get. I'm so happy to be where I'm at now, bro. Living here was so cheap 5 years ago. That's the craziest part too. That's why we even moved here to begin with. Boys, that's me. That's just me tapping on the gas. Every time I tap it, like basically resets the pops. Bro, I keep my foot steady. I'm gonna go straight this time. Woo! Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. And that guy's chilling. See, I love guys like that. They get it, bro. They get it why we were driving like this, bro. At least I'm doing it safely, you know what I mean? I'm driving the speed limit, I'm doing it safely. That's all that matters to me. I feel like I want low-key, boys. I want to start making like little. Obviously, it probably wouldn't work with my algorithm, but I want to get a is it called Sauron? Yeah, Sauron. I want to get one, bro, and just go crazy with it. If I ever did that, I would have to make a whole separate channel. But I think I wouldn't even want to record it, you know? I would rather just enjoy my life. I'd rather just enjoy it, like, without having to make content and stuff. But I feel like making content would be fun. Oh my gosh, bro. I freaking love these pops. That's crazy. I just did like a big U. Dude, this street's perfect. I'm gonna be doing this more often. Now, boys, this car, dude, you can't go wrong with V8 twin turbo. You just can't, bro. And then the intakes, bro, that's like change the deal because it just adds more noise. It just makes it more like it just feels like you're playing like a video game, you know? You hear the turbos. I just love the colorway I have too. Like red calipers, wing, custom exhaust. That's why I need to get side skirts ready, bro, because the side skirts will finish the deal. Side skirts, front lip, and we're done. After that, I think I'm gonna start like low key. I'm thinking of like rebuilding this engine, not too crazy, but just enough to where I can put like I can tune it to do like, I don't know what I'll have to do to tune it for 1,000 horsepower, but I would love to tune this thing to be able to push 1,000 or build it to at least, I want to build this thing up to push like 1,700, but only tune it to like 1,100. You know what I mean? just because I wanted this thing to be so robust that I can, like, that I would never have to worry about rebuilding it again. But with builds, bro, you always gotta be ready to rebuild this. All right, boys, we're gonna end the video off soon. Oh, dude, sounds so amazing, man. It's freaking therapy, bro. It's therapy. Hope you boys enjoyed this little video, little POV. There's more to come. Don't you worry. In a year, bro, I should have another car, maybe 2, if things go really well, but for sure 1 more car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.